Hi everyone, welcome back. So script number 23, we're just going to get started with a script that will detect a particular pattern in log file, specific log file. You can easily do this with one command, but we're going to integrate it into a script, so we can use for automation perhaps, or if we need to kind of couple certain script together for whatever reason, so we can use this particular script. So I'll get started with bash and then I'll move on to the Python script next. So we're just going to set E, and then we're going to create a variable pattern. So it'll be the first parameter, or we're just going to put a placeholder error if nothing is provided. It's going to use syslog. Then we're going to use an if statement to check if the file exists, the log file exists. And we'll exit if we could not find the log file specified. System will exit, or the script will exit, and if it is found, then we'll echo searching for log, searching for pattern in log. Going to use grep C, and then we're going to put in pattern, and followed by the log file. Or exit if we encounter any errors, and then exit. Actually, no exit here. So we're going to echo found occurrences. See, it'll be count. Of pattern in log file. So that's it. We're going to chmod it, x makes it executable. 23. We have to run it as sudo because I believe we need the sudo permission to access the syslog here. So going to do sudo and then password. Well, the default is error, so it found 12 occurrences. If we, let's say, search and login or something like that as one of the patterns that we are looking for, as you can see, there are 39 occurrences of login in the verilog syslog. We can also actually store the pattern and actually list them out. So maybe that's something that you can do for homework, like just instead of occurrences or counts, have it display all the occurrences that are it is actually finding in the system, in the Verilog syslog file. Okay, so that's it. So for the Python one, we're going to get started with the Python script. Everyone, welcome back. So I'm just going to put in modules sys and re, and then we're going to specify the log file location and pattern. This will be our pattern, and then the log file, we're going to specify it here. So second argument, or actually this is not original argv, but sys.argv. Okay, so if it's 2, else if it's not provided, we're going to put in var sys, actually verilog syslog. Then I'm just going to use a try block. So we're going to open the file and as f, and then we're going to set the count to 0, because we're looking for a pattern and the count that appears. So for line in f, if we search, we're going to use the search function here, and we're searching for the pattern and the line in the line, and if we find it, we're going to increment the count. And then we'll print out the count. We're going to try to catch the exception here. So one of the exceptions that could be, I guess, triggered would be file not found error. Going to print 0 if that's the case. And also we're going to try to catch permission error. Okay, so let's save this. Let's try to run this one. Okay, as you can see, there's 16 errors here. Let me clear this. 16 errors. If we try to, let's say, put in login or some other string that we want to search for in the syslog, 49 counts of login string found in the syslog. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.